Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we will see some ways to boost your PC performance. Uh, let's just get into the video and let me show you a few settings you should change or you can change. So first, uninstall unnecessary programs. Now, this is always overlooked and some of you may think, well, I may need this program, but so I would recommend if you have low storage or if you don't have like more than 512 gigabytes of storage to keep unnecessary programs. So if you use a program that you do not use very often, then I would recommend you uninstall it. So if you don't know how to uninstall a program for Windows 11 or 10, you can just get into settings. Let me bring this up here. So you just get into settings, then you can just search for apps, or you can just get into apps right here, then go to apps and features. So this is one way how you can uninstall programs. But in case if you can't find this, so in here you can just uninstall, and if you can't find this, you can just click on here and then search for the program. Let's say this one which you want to uninstall, just right click on it and you should see an uninstall option. This should work for both Windows 10 and 11. And even if you can't find either of them, you can get into control panel, which should be available in every single Windows system you use, and just type uninstall, and there you can see it says uninstall a program, and from here you can also uninstall a program. So these are the three ways you can uninstall a program. So in case one of them don't work, the other should work. So then there is another thing that most people will never even look at, that is temporary files. So for someone who is a day-to-day, and if you don't clean your temporary file, it will keep piling up. And I have not cleaned my temporary file, so I will show you how does it pile up and what type of sizes you can expect. And since temporary files are temporary files, it's okay to delete every single one of them because they are not very important files. So to get into your temporary directory, what you can do is you can Windows R, so which will get you to run, or you can just get here and then just search run from here. It will do basically the same thing. After that, what you can do is just type this right here. So percentage TMP and another percentage. So this will get you to the temporary directory. What the heck? Why is everything opening in my second monitor anyway? So here, as you can see, there is a bunch of things. Don't be scared. These are not corrupted files or anything. These are just temporary files that many programs use while they are running. And let me just do Control A and just properties. And as you can see, it's already 400 megabytes, and I didn't clean it for like 1 month or something. So for someone who uses their computer very frequently, and if you haven't cleaned it in a while, you should really clean it. And to clean it, you can just do Control A, then hit delete, and then you just do continue, and it should delete most of them. And so if you see something like this which says the action cannot be completed because the program or folder or file is open in another program, you can just click this and skip it, because there may be some programs that are being installed. And there we go. So now we just we have a little bit of stuff that are temporary, and we just got down from 400 to about 82. So make sure you clean up your temporary files just to make your PC a little bit faster. So then there is something that you can do is run a virus scan. So I know many people do not like running virus scan because it slows down their computer. But if you have a suspicion that you may have some viruses in your computer, then I would highly recommend you run a virus scan just to be sure. It will take a bit of time, but you can be utmost certain that nothing is in your PC. So then there is a thing called startup apps. Now, if you don't know what this is, startup apps are a list of programs that start along with your PC. So if you go to Task Manager and then just go to startup option right here, you can see there's a bunch of programs that start when I start my PC. So these programs can slow down your PC because, well, it is starting with your operating system, and if you don't have enough RAM, or if you don't have enough like resources, then this will give you a really big lag spike when you boot up. It may like make your PC faster after a while when everything just cools down a bit, but it's recommended to just outright disable them. So let's say, well, I don't want Chrome to enable, like Chrome to start up when I start my PC. I can just click disable. I can disable this. I can disable this, and just disable everything you don't want starting up whenever you start your PC. Now these are the things, like it's like having a better life thing, but uh, after all of this, there is an option which is the power option that you can change. Now you can go to control panel, then just go to system, and then here you can see power option. Then just click high performance. In here it should be on balanced, and then you can select high performance. Now if you're using a laptop, then I would not recommend high performance all the time, because it will drain more battery. But if you don't care about your power, you just want performance, then just check this high performance, and it should clock everything to its max, and it should have more performance. Now that's basically it for speeding up a little bit with the PC. But again, your hardware upgrades will be much more effective than the software upgrades, and I will make a video on what you can change in your PC to get more performance out of it, and how to make it as cheap as possible. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.